The highest floor, we are on the 9th floor. This is the last floor. Yeah. I always love high floor. And look at the view, guys. I think the sunrise tomorrow is promising here. I don't know the sunset.
There is the sunset.
And this is Mactan, Cebu or Lapu-Lapu City.
Mactan, Lapu-Lapu.
Oh my god, it's not allowed to smoke here. Look at this. Even on open terrace, they don't allow to smoke. But I really love the view. Seems like I don't like to, starting tomorrow, I don't like to move out of this property. Oh my god.
I think we cannot work for
Ayan. So this is our room for the next 2 nights. Very basic. So they have a complimentary mask, a sanitizer. What else? So they have an LED TV. I think this is 42 inches TV. So coffee. The only thing for coffee is I think they're serving instant coffee. Yeah. Instant coffee. No ground coffee. The safety deposit box, they have a mini bar at empty. And the washroom, it's quite big. This is the washroom. Yeah, with basic bathroom amenities here. And we can also open the curtain here if you want to take shower and so while someone is watching over you. So you can open the curtain and you can take your shower naked. Unless you are with your partner, I think that's fine. So this is their room. I know their washroom, it's very basic. It's okay. I think what I love here is the view. And they have the emergency evacuation line. So I'm right here. Okay. What else? Oh, look at the door. So Julie is already unloading our goods. But so far, yes, this is our room. It's nice. So yeah, I'll see you again in my next check-in. See you again. Later, we will try their dinner. Okay, and let's rate their dinner. Let's review.
Few moments later.
Yes. So we're looking for venue for our dinner. So I think lang ang restaurant. But breakfast, this is all-day dining. Including dito.
Ito pagka-assisted breakfast nila.
Assisted buffet. Ay,
oh, may buffet.
puro ah.
naman. So small.
Pero I think appeal pa ni. Okay, you know, okay, they have stairs inside.
Ah, okay. And take a picture.
Ayan, so, ito, I don't know if the center na to or kaya ayoko talaga dito.
Hindi, yan lang. Kunapit ka na. Pura-pura ka sa Cebu.
So this is their pool.
Wala pa rin ang buffet, oh. Pero,
Itong ilang
yes.
service.
Baka buffet dito.
Dili. No. No, it's not. It's not.
Sana sa kanila.
So, okay. So, yeah, so you just have to scan. For the menu, you have to scan the QR code. And here are the menu. So what we ordered for our starter, we ordered the Solea sprout rolls. So it is a Filipino comfort food, crispy spring rolls stuffed with seasoned minced pork and shrimp, bean sprout, and served with sweet chili dip. All right. And then for our soup, we have the pork sinigang. It's a sour soup. And we have also ordered for the main course, we ordered the crispy lechon kawali. And what else?
The tofu one.
Ah, yeah, the mapo tofu. Yeah. Okay, so that's the one we tried. And then I'm looking for the dessert. Oh my goodness.
I think lami ang turon.
Yeah, I think I like this turon.
No?
Turon de langka. With vanilla ice cream on the side.
The rest, I think they're pretty common.
Yeah. Alright. That's it. So let's wait.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So, ito na yung aming food. Okay, so this is the spring roll, beans, sprouts, Solea sprout spring roll, and this is the pork sinigang, and of course the all-time favorite lechon kawali, and this is the mapo tofu, so tofu with pork.
And the eggplant, I think.
So now it's the
Judgment time.
judgment time. Okay, let's find out the taste. So let me try the spring roll.
Yeah. Nagibo po ako muna. Of course, here siguro kay mama na ito ang appetizer.
Yes.
Bago vlog. Mura ang kanya.
With sweet. I don't like sweet. Ah, so. Pero
Pero bungkag.
this is what I observed. Like, last time po na naging ko ganun spring roll sa balay, ang kaning wrap, dili. Ang wrap dili sa Pinas is salty. Thank you.
Ito, plastic ice tea of Coke, water no?
No, water lang siya. Okay.
Ice tea.
Ice tea.
Ice tea ako, baso lang with ice. Okay, gusto ko bugnaw.
Pero okay ang pork. Ang lasa sa pork. Pero
Sa pagkalian yan, disit na
naging salty lang siya tungkol sa wrapper.
Dato, bitaw. Sa pagkalian. Kay na sila yung rapper na dili flavor. Ang dili tamis, dili barat. Napaprimahan yet. That's why so kung sa matong takot ka na. Ha?
No, but this is fine.
Ano yun? Palayo ang nito.
Kulang-kulang.
Kulang-kulang na yun.
And this one is for
Kanin.
suka, no? Is this suka or patis?
Suka na ba? Wala din yung paano.
Kulang siya lang.
Siyempre naman, nag-busy with him.
Okay lang.
Sige, ma'am. Sir.
Understand. Pero dili ka ba?
No, mari ang iyang mari ang iyang
Reason.
reason. You don't have to say, I'm sorry, can you see me? No.
Di man naman ang salak kaya nabisi mo ba?
Bulok ang anong nabisi siya. Tungkol ka na siya kalimtan, balik-balik siya. Pero kung naging efficient siya,
Dito siya mabalik.
in just one pasada.
And dili man po salak nato nga busy sila. Butang tala nga busy gid sila kay kulang ang manpower and daghan kaayo pa. Di man nasala sa guest kay nag-anticipate sila og extra money unta kung ingana nga
Oh.
kuan. Diba? They could have probably kanang hired or kanang
Makakamang ka, makaforecast ba?
Oh, exactly.
Kaya, kailangan pa yung pre-booking.